All right, what is up, YouTube? We're going to go over the trades we took today. So coming into pre-market, we were at all-time highs. I wanted to see pullbacks and longs, so I was trying to catch the pullback. We waited for a 2-minute OTE right about here, I think. Nope. Right about here. We waited for a 2-minute. We got 2-minute OTE, entered 6 points, went break even. We got break even. So that was break even. It didn't take any more pre-market trades. The reason why I was doing that is because we were in some standard deviations, but I just wanted to see a higher time frame OTE before we pulled up into all-time highs. We didn't get it. We started pumping. Yeah, so market opened, we manipulated lower, put in an SMT, we closed above the bearish candle that brought us that manipulation in OTE. That should have been my entry. I didn't enter. I waited. We got another slight pullback, closed above the bearish leg that brought us that pullback, entered there, and we had a continuation to the upside. So I'm not going to sit here and claim like, okay, so it ran for 55 points. And then in my videos and on premium, I had my stop like this. So we technically got stopped out. But the only reason my stop was here is because of the magnet. Like, obviously, you don't put your fucking stop right directly at the low. You never actually do that. You put it, a few points, like you put it slightly below the low. And I personally believe we wouldn't have gotten tapped out. I mean, I exited the trade, but I'm saying, if someone held, this could have fully banged. So I'm not going to fully claim that we caught, the entire trade for 93 points, even though it'd probably be in the title. Fuck it. But yeah, the only reason, like if you guys go and look at my stories, you're going to see the low right here. It's because I have the magnet on. So when I set this, it just automatically attaches to that bottom wick. And I don't, like, typically when I take trades, that's how I'm placing my low. And, obviously very easy to say that hindsight to claim and LARP, but I'm not really trying to, whatever. But yeah, if you think that's a bunch of bullshit, this ran for 55 points, great, Terrible PA today, as you see. Nothing really you could have taken other than that first initial trade and then this second trade. Obviously, you don't want to be shorting at all-time highs, so nothing really to short here. Possibly maybe a re-entry somewhere along here after this, but that's way too big of a stop loss. Yeah, the only two trades I think were good to take, and yeah, that was just slight pullbacks, and it closed below the leg that got us that, change of state, whatever you want to call it. The reason why I didn't wait for an OTE level on the pullback is because we were doing that all morning. So we were pulling back and we weren't getting the OTE levels and we were popping up. So I was like, okay, if we're just looking for slight pullbacks and jumps up, that's exactly what I'm going to look for. So we got this slight pullback, change of state, bang, long. We didn't get a full like OTE, even a low time frame pullback. So I was like, all right, fuck it. We're just going to take that. But yeah, when we're at all-time highs, you just want pullback, long, pullback, long, pullback, long, pullback, long. We caught about 55 points. If you held your stop in a valid place, which, you should have, 93 points. But yeah, it is what it is. Beautiful day. Not bad at all. 55 points is 55 points. 100 is 100. 2 trades, 1 break even, 1 winner. Great. Let's hope we get some better price action moving on into the week. But yeah, I'll see you guys all for Asia tonight. If not tonight, I'll see everybody in premium tomorrow. I'm live for Asia every single night for free on TikTok. Cash trades on TikTok. Thank you guys so much for the love and support. I'll see you guys. Peace.